If you have ever dreamed of building your own dream villa here in Bali, this video will show you exactly how that dream would look like in real life. This villa cost around $290,000 to build, and in this video I will give you a full tour and tell you about the process of building it, as well as the lifestyle you can get with this money here in Uluwatu, Bali. But yeah, let's start here at the entrance. So basically this place, Villa Utopia, is owned by one guy from my community. That's why I got to show you around here, and there's this entranceway to the villa which is so beautiful. Basically it's a really big 2-bedroom villa for $290,000 total for the land and the build. He worked with a developer. So yeah, how it works, basically he got some designs they built before, and then he got to choose what he wants and modify a little bit to fit his style and needs better. And yeah, the design he went with is just so beautiful. Mediterranean style, very modern, very vibey. It's just super beautiful. Like, this pool area is such a vibe, especially here in Uluwatu, Bali. This is exactly what you want to have, in my opinion. And the inside area is also so beautiful and so big. Like, this is a proper big luxury villa. Like, it's kind of insane what can you get with your money here in Bali. But of course the negative is that it's a leasehold, so you don't actually own. So basically he leased the land for 25 years, and then after that there's opportunity to extend for extra 25 years, and that's gonna be with the market price at that current time. So when it comes to investment, it of course brings some challenges and it's not perfect in that way, but to have a place to stay for the next even 25 years, it can be amazing and not too expensive if you can afford. And if you put it on Airbnb like Eddie has, by the way, yes, you can stay here yourself if you book it on Airbnb. I will leave link in the description if you're interested in staying here after you see the full tour. But yeah, so basically from Airbnb you can definitely get good profits and good income if you have a good design, good location. I will talk about all that also here later on. But yeah, I will give you a full tour of the place now. They went with this beautiful, beautiful Mediterranean design. It's very big. The kitchen is huge and the view is just so beautiful to the pool, and the roof is very high. Like, this is a dream villa, literally. Like, it's so big. There's also this bar area in the kitchen and big dining table. I really love the style they went with here. And yeah, all the interior is included with this price, so not too bad. And yeah, outside there's a lot of space, big sofa, some seating, beanbags, sunbeds, all that. There's shower there also, so it's a good vibe to hang out at the pool. And also there is inside this sunken seating area. It's very big and beautiful. Like, what a vibe. Like, I love these designs here in Bali. It's just so cozy, it's so beautiful. Like, I can really imagine hanging out here with friends and just enjoying life. Is the Bali lifestyle. And before I go upstairs to show you the master bedroom, I'm gonna show the second one here. So even the secondary bedroom is quite large. It's really nice design even here. The bathroom is very beautiful, super nice. Like, the vibe is just so nice anywhere in this villa. What a nice design. Like, even here is just perfect. I really wouldn't mind living in this kind of place. And now going upstairs, there's even here this little seating area if you want to just like really enjoy the view to the pool and the palm trees and all that. You can have that, read a book. But yeah, this is the primary bedroom. Very big, like super nice design again, with some seating area here, balcony, and quite a big closet area. That's nice to have. And this is the bathroom. 2 sinks again, big bathtub. Like, they really didn't make this like saving money way, like small way. I'm really impressed. Like, such a big and beautiful dream villa for $290,000. Yeah, this area is basically, we are in Uluwatu here in Bali, which is famous for surfing, amazing beaches and amazing cliffs and sunsets and all that. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. And it's also getting more popular with expats and nomads actually living here also a little bit more long term. And this area where this villa is quite tactical. Like, it's not the prime area, so he definitely saved some money with the land not being in the prime areas, but it's really close to kind of everything here in Uluwatu because we are next to the golf course road, which is like really big road, so you can easily drive to Dreamland Beach, Bingin, Padang Padang, all those like famous areas that are amazing for surfing, restaurants, gyms, like anything like that. There's a lot there. But then also we are really close to Melasti Beach, which is my favorite beach in Uluwatu. It's so beautiful. So the lifestyle you can have here is definitely incredible. But yeah, let's talk a little bit about the process of building a villa like this in Bali. So yeah, working with a developer like he did, it's very easy. Like, he wasn't even here physically himself, but you definitely save some money compared to buying a villa that is already ready by building it yourself. And as I said earlier, he could decide some design factors and what kind of villa he wants and this kind of thing, so you have a little bit more control without needing to be yourself here, like watching over everything every day. When you have a good developer you trust. But yeah, he said it took 14 months to complete the whole thing, and he said that there was many challenges, mainly in terms of huge delays, miscommunications with the construction team, last minute changes, and some extra costs for different kind of small things. But overall he said that he's very happy with how everything turned out. And if you're thinking about this kind of villa as an investment, what he said that the first few months it's been pretty much fully booked the whole time. Of course soon it's gonna be low season, so let's see if it's gonna stay like that. But he's also offering some discounted rates for the next few months. If you are interested in staying, it is discounted. So yeah, you can go to the Airbnb link and check the nightly price if you are interested in calculating like what kind of return is it exactly what you can expect with this kind of villa. I think like yeah, like if you have it pretty much fully booked always, like it's gonna be amazing investment. Of course, like there's a lot of villas in the market, so that's something you need to figure out, that it needs to be a good villa with good reviews. Like here they have really good reviews and good area. Here again, like as I said earlier, the area makes a lot of sense. So I could imagine long term it's going to be a very good investment also. But of course it's a bit different than in the West as you don't own the land. So it's more about the cash flow and making money with the villa as much as possible, as soon as possible, instead of like long term waiting game. And if you're coming to Bali, check out my school community, the Nomad tribe. If you want to meet a lot of like-minded people like the owner here and me and everybody else in the tribe that already has been connecting all the time in the WhatsApp group chat that is super active, people asking questions, getting answers and organizing activities and all kind of things like that. I personally also host a lot of meetups, so I would love to see you there. And also there's hundreds of videos explaining everything you need to know about living in Bali and having this digital nomad lifestyle, making sure you have the best experience with all the insider tips that I have learned the past 4 years of living this lifestyle. So check it out. I will leave link in the description. Hope to see you inside, and like the video and subscribe if you liked it. See you in the next one.